Welcome to the year 2050. Money is now fully digital, secure, and decentralized. There's no more cash. Everything runs through AI and smart technology. Banks are a thing of the past, replaced by DeFi and smart contracts that manage transactions automatically. How did we reach this point? Let's dive into the fascinating journey of money's evolution. Number 10. The end of physical cash. By 2050, paper money is gone, replaced by digital currencies and AI-powered financial systems. Payments happen instantly using fingerprints, eye scans, or brain chips. No need for wallets or cards. Cryptocurrencies and government digital currencies make transactions safe and clear. With no cash, crimes like fake money and theft disappear, while governments track financial activity in real time, reducing tax fraud. Businesses benefit from smooth, automatic transactions, and people send money instantly worldwide without banks. However, those who relied on cash struggle to adapt, creating a gap between tech-savvy and non-tech users. Privacy concerns grow as AI tracks every transaction, raising fears of monitoring and control. Financial freedom now depends entirely on technology, making cyber attacks and system failures major risks. Some feel left out, forcing governments to create programs to help them adjust. Despite challenges, AI-driven, secure, and fast transactions have reshaped the global economy. Digital finance is now the foundation of all financial activities. Number 9. AI-powered personal finance assistance. By 2050, AI has completely transformed personal finance, making traditional financial advisors almost unnecessary. AI-powered assistants handle budgeting, investments, bill payments, and taxes with extreme accuracy. These systems analyze spending habits, predict future expenses, and provide real-time financial advice. Unlike human advisors, AI works 24/7, monitoring markets, detecting fraud, and optimizing investments. With biometric and brain-linked technology, people manage money through voice or thought, eliminating manual work. AI helps plan major life events like buying a home, education, and retirement by automatically adjusting savings and investments. Blockchain secures transactions, reducing fraud and identity theft. AI negotiates bills, finds better insurance, and automates loan payments. Decentralized finance allows easy global financial access without banks. AI even predicts financial crises, warning users to protect their money. Governments and businesses use AI to track taxes and prevent financial crimes, ensuring transparency. While some worry about over-reliance on AI and privacy risks, most enjoy stress-free money management. AI-driven finance brings smarter savings, better investments, and a more stable financial future. Number 8. Universal digital currencies. The rise of the global token. By 2050, the world has moved to one digital currency, eliminating cash and national currencies. A universal digital token, powered by blockchain, allows fast and secure global transactions. Governments, banks, and businesses use a shared system, reducing exchange costs and delays. With central bank digital currencies and cryptocurrencies merged, people send money instantly without banks. AI-powered financial networks keep the economy stable, preventing inflation and crashes. Smart contracts handle transactions automatically, reducing fraud and errors. Every payment is recorded securely, making corruption nearly impossible. Instead of bank accounts, people use digital wallets with fingerprint or face scans. More people access financial services, reducing poverty. Some countries resisted at first but joined later to stay competitive. With one currency, global trade has expanded, and businesses operate smoothly. Governments have better control over finances, reducing tax fraud and illegal activities. The end of cash has also made crime harder. However, some worry about financial privacy as all transactions are tracked. Despite concerns, most enjoy instant, low-cost, and borderless payments. AI-driven regulations have strengthened economic stability, creating a seamless financial system where money moves freely without limits. Number 7. The rise of AI-generated passive income. By 2050, AI has revolutionized passive income, making earning money automatic. AI bots handle investments, real estate, and businesses with no human effort. Smart trading bots adjust stock and crypto strategies instantly for maximum profit, while AI manages rental properties, pricing, and tenants. E-commerce stores run themselves, handling sales, marketing, and customer service 24/7. AI-generated content, books, videos, and music earns money through ads and subscriptions. Virtual influencers and AI-written blogs generate revenue effortlessly. Subscription-based AI services provide fitness coaching, education, and financial advice, creating steady income. AI freelancing bots replace human workers, offering digital services while owners earn passively. AI-driven crowdfunding, affiliate marketing, and peer-to-peer lending open new income streams. AI assistants monitor and reinvest money, growing wealth without financial knowledge. Some fear AI will replace traditional jobs, but others see it as the path to financial freedom. With AI working non-stop, passive income has never been easier, making money work for people instead of the other way around. Number 6. Quantum banking in 2050. By 2050, quantum computing has made banking faster, smarter, and more secure. Quantum encryption prevents hacking, and transactions happen in milliseconds with no delays. AI-powered fraud detection stops cyber threats before they occur, and financial data is stored in ultra-secure quantum networks. Banks no longer use passwords, relying instead on biometric and quantum authentication, like retina scans and brainwave recognition. Smart contracts execute transactions perfectly, reducing fraud and errors. Governments and businesses trust quantum security to protect their financial operations. Digital wallets now run on quantum-secured blockchain networks, ensuring complete security and transparency. Banking is fully automated, eliminating human errors. AI-driven systems handle loans, investments, and wealth management, providing personalized financial solutions. With quantum banking, people no longer worry about data leaks or stolen credentials. Some fear governments and corporations could gain too much control, but the benefits of secure, instant banking outweigh these concerns. As quantum computing advances, hacking and fraud may soon be impossible. Number 5. Decentralized autonomous organizations rule the economy. By 2050, DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, have changed the world's economy. Instead of traditional businesses or governments, everything runs on blockchain and smart contracts, ensuring fairness. Decisions are made by the community through voting, and AI helps manage businesses, analyze markets, and make fast decisions. DAOs allow companies, charities, and even governments to work without middlemen, cutting out corruption and inefficiency. People earn profits based on their contributions, and transactions are faster and cheaper without lawyers or banks. DAOs manage global supply chains, investments, and real estate, making everything more efficient and transparent. With DAOs, people can vote on policies, access decentralized financial services, and earn passive income from things like real estate or digital assets. Governments struggle to regulate DAOs, with some countries embracing them while others try to ban them. The future is decentralized. People have more control over their wealth, decisions, and even healthcare. Number 4. End of jobs. UBI becomes the norm. By 2050, most jobs are replaced by AI, robots, and automation. With fewer jobs, governments introduce universal basic income, where everyone gets a set amount of money to cover basic needs. Instead of working for a salary, people get this guaranteed income, funded by taxes on automated companies. UBI allows people to focus on learning, creativity, and starting businesses. Some worry it could make people lazy, while others believe it will help them explore new ideas. Since AI runs industries, traditional 9-to-5 jobs disappear and new career paths emerge. Work becomes about doing what people enjoy, like digital businesses and freelancing. Governments ensure AI-driven economies share wealth fairly and financial stress decreases. UBI gives people security, but some fear governments could have too much power. In this future, survival doesn't depend on jobs. People focus on personal growth and contributing in new ways. UBI becomes a right, not a privilege. Number 3. Space economy and interplanetary banking. By 2050, the space economy has grown into a multi-trillion-dollar industry driven by asteroid mining, lunar colonies, Mars settlements, and space tourism. Traditional banking systems can't handle interplanetary trade, so a new system called interplanetary banking has emerged. Since physical cash and regular banking networks don't work across vast distances, blockchain-based digital currencies like SpaceCoin or galactic credits allow secure, instant transactions between Earth and space settlements. AI-driven financial systems manage accounts, process loans, and handle payments automatically. Decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, replace traditional banks, offering smart contracts for space business deals and resource trading. Asteroid mining companies extract rare metals worth billions, boosting both Earth's industries and space development. Space tourism flourishes, with wealthy travelers staying at lunar resorts and orbiting hotels, expanding the space economy. Governments and private companies introduce interplanetary financial regulations to maintain economic stability across different planets. Stock markets now include space-based ventures, allowing people to invest in off-world projects. As human civilization expands into space, interplanetary banking becomes a necessity. Space is no longer just the final frontier. It has become the next big financial frontier. Number 2, personalized financial ecosystems. Everyone has a custom economy. By 2050, money management has completely changed. Instead of banks, people use AI-powered digital wallets that handle their income, savings, and spending automatically. These wallets track real-time data to maximize financial growth and security. Cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance let users create custom investment plans, with AI predicting market trends and adjusting investments. Smart contracts make big transactions, like buying property or making deals, simple and secure, without middlemen. Universal basic income, and AI-generated passive income provide financial stability, replacing traditional jobs. Instead of fixed salaries, people earn money through AI-driven opportunities, freelance work, and digital assets. AI also helps lower costs on purchases, loans, and subscriptions. Virtual businesses in the metaverse, NFT ownership, and decentralized financial systems give people full control over their money without depending on banks or government rules. Advanced security, like biometric verification and quantum encryption, keeps finances safe. With AI-powered financial ecosystems, money adapts instantly to each person's needs, helping them avoid debt and build long-term wealth. Number 1, who controls the money of the future? By 2050, money is controlled by AI, crypto, and blockchain instead of banks and governments. This gives people financial freedom, but raises big ethical questions. If AI manages money, who ensures fairness? If crypto replaces government money, who stops fraud and crashes? Big tech, AI-powered banks, and DAOs control most of the economy. Has power really shifted or just changed hands? Universal basic income and AI-generated income provide security, but who decides how money is given out? With space banking and interplanetary trade, new financial rules are needed. Who will make them? AI makes instant financial decisions without human control. If it causes a market crash, who is responsible? While quantum encryption keeps money safe, it also hides crimes. Some fear losing financial privacy as AI tracks every transaction. As people rely fully on AI for money, what happens if the system fails or is hacked? The future of finance is exciting, but society must decide who controls money and how to balance freedom, fairness, and security. The world in 2050 looks completely different. Cash no longer exists. AI controls finances and cryptocurrencies rule. Quantum computers make transactions ultra-secure, and space economies are booming. The future is full of possibilities. But is this a utopia or a hidden risk? The only way forward is to embrace the future of money.